What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another street photography video. Today I'm coming at you once again audio only because, to be honest, I actually really need a haircut, so I'm not gonna hop on camera. But don't worry, I'll get a haircut before next video and then I'll hop on camera. So as most of you know from my last video and also my Instagram page if you follow me on there, in December I did a road trip to Portland in order to see the rain because it hadn't rained in San Diego in actual months. We're talking like half a year. And yeah, once I got up there I thought, fuck it, might as well strap the GoPro to my chest and record one of these videos. If you're getting tired of these videos, don't worry, I got more stuff planned. But at the moment, this is all the content I have to show, so I hope you enjoy. Roll the footage. Alright, that was my session of street photography in Portland, Oregon. Not my best work, but I'm just glad that I went out and did it when I had the chance. Portland's a really sick city. If you haven't visited it, I would recommend going when it's raining. But anyways, now I'm going to move on to the section of the video where I talk about the photos I took. I want to talk about 3 photos in particular. The first one being the one of these guys on the ladder that are patching up the windows in this building. I wasn't too sure about the composition when I took this photo. It's sort of all on the left side, and I wasn't sure if these foreground elements were really needed, but they actually helped in framing the subjects and sort of bringing your eye to them. And that's because I put them out of focus and dark, so your eye doesn't really go straight to them, it goes straight to the subjects. So yeah, I like the feel of this image and I like the colors, and that's all I was really hoping for in this image. Alright, moving on to the second photo, we have this dude walking in front of these neon lights. Super sick. I like the colors, I like the reflection on the ground, I like that the reflection and the lines both lead you to the subject. But yeah, this is probably my favorite photo from this session. It was all I was really going for when I was going out to shoot, so that's good. And moving on to the last photo I wanted to talk about, there's this cool looking car with the red gas canister in the back. The windows are all rained up. I don't know how else to describe it, man. They're just rained up, okay? Anyways, once again, I like the colors, I like the contrasts, and the subject's really cool. Alright, now in terms of photo sets, there are 2 photo sets that I'm going to put up on the screen right now. I feel like these photos really fit well together and tell a story. Mostly because the colors match and the overall feels of the image match. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about. That was my Portland street photography video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you liked any of the photos you saw in this video, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting over there more frequently. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.